Alright, boys and girls, and welcome to Gordon Guitar. We have David here with a song called Sleep Well. So, a very soothing name for the song, Sleep Well. Let's take a look at this one. We don't have any cape on this, but we have chords that are very different. So I'm just going to mention the names of kind of the chord family, which it is, so just straight G, B, C, and so on. And that's not the only name for this actual songs or grips or whatever you're gonna call it, but it's easier to just do that, and I'm just gonna show you how to play it. So let's start and dive right into this song. So the first one will be a G based chord. It's actually pretty much the G. So you're gonna hold this bar here. That's the easiest. You have a bar on the 3rd fret over all strings, and then you're gonna play 5th on the D and 4th on the G. Yeah, there we have it. So bar on 3rd fret over all strings, and then 5th on D and 4th on G. So with that grip, you're gonna play 3rd on E, 5th D, 4th G, 3rd B, back to 4th G, and back to 5th D. So we are working pretty much in a pyramid here. You're going down and back up again, and that is pretty much the pattern through the entire song here, in different grips and different strings and so, but the pattern is like that. So it sounds like this. Right, that's the G. Then we're moving to something that is based upon the B. What you do here, you work with a bar again, this time on the 2nd fret from the A string and down. So all strings except from this last E on the 2nd fret, and then the rest will be 4th on G, 4th on B, and 3rd on E. So with that grip, you're gonna play 2nd on A, 4th on G, 4th on B, 3rd on E, back to 4th on B, and back to 4th on G. Alright, then we have something that is based upon a C. So we move the grip like this, have that one. It's a bar chord still on the 3rd fret now, from the A string and down, so same as the previous chord. And that is on 3rd fret, and then the rest will be 4th on the G and 5th on B. So with that grip, you're gonna play 3rd A, 4th G, 5th B, 3rd E, 5th B, and 4th G. Right. Then we're moving to this grip, E based chord. So what I do here, place a short little bar here on the 1st fret from the G string down. So the first 3 strings from bottom up, this, and this on the 1st fret, and then I add a 2nd on the D string and a 3rd on B. So with that grip, we're gonna play this part. So that is 2nd on D, 1st on G, 3rd on B, and 1st on E. And then back to 3rd B, and 1st G. Alright, so that was the E based. And we're moving on to the A grip here, and it's very easy. You just hold 1st frets on the B string. We're gonna play this part. So you start with the open A, then open G, 1st B, open E, back to 1st B, and then open G. Then you go to the D grip here, You have still the same grip there, you just change the bass note now to the open D. Everything else is the same, so that gives us open D, open G, first B, open E, first B, and open G. All right, that's the D. And then we go to the G, but the second version of it, we started with one G there. We'll have a little bit different chord now. You place the bar again here on the 3rd fret over all strings, and then the rest will be 4th on D and 4th on G. So with that grip, you're gonna play this part. So it starts with 3rd on E in the bass, then 4th D, 4th G, 3rd B, back to 4th G, and back to 4th D. And then it ends with a D, so back to the first D we learned there, so in the same way as we learned the D before. And that, my friend, is one chord progression. So we're going from the first G, this grip, then to the B, then to C, then to this E, then A, and then D with different bass notes, then the G version 2, and then back to the D. And it goes like that through the entire song. I'm going to take you through one round of it now, so let's go. Guys, so that is David's Sleep Well. So I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please thumb up. So good luck with Sleep Well, and yeah, good night from Gordon Guitar. Until next time, play tuned.